All right, guys, this is the chapter number 5 of our AWS AI practitioner course. And today we are going to discuss about Amazon Q. I hope that if you have logged into Amazon console, you might have seen it. You might have encountered Amazon Q. So what is Amazon Q? Let's discuss is in this chapter. And before we get started, make sure that you have subscribed DevOps Molvi because I really need your support. So there is a logic behind every AWS service. Like I told you in the previous chapter, there's a logic behind Amazon SageMaker, which is used to build intelligent and wise machine learning model. There is a logic behind Amazon Bedrock. Okay, so there is a little logic behind Amazon Q. There is a secret behind the name of every Amazon AI ML service. Now, what is the secret behind Amazon Q? As Bedrock is a strong foundation with rocks being solid and resistant, Amazon Bedrock is a strong foundation for AI apps. Why Bedrock is known as Amazon Bedrock? Because we know that Bedrock is actually a strong foundation with rocks. So Amazon Bedrock is a strong foundation for your AI ads. So here in Amazon Q, Q is actually question. Q stands for question or query. So if you have any question or query regarding your AWS account or the services that you are using on AWS, Amazon Q is here to help. So that is actually the logic behind Amazon Q. Q stands for question or query. It is obvious that whenever we are using a certain platform, we have questions and we get queries. So Amazon Q is here to answer all your questions and queries. So what is Amazon Q? Now we know that Amazon Q stands for Amazon Question or Query. Amazon Q is a Gen AI powered assistant developed by AWS. It is actually Gen AI powered. It does not only answers your questions or queries, it will generate code for you. It will generate reports for you. Okay, we are going to explore more. And Amazon Q utilizes Gen AI to provide intelligent assistance across different work domains. Amazon Q Developer is built on Amazon Bedrock, which provides access to foundation models. So there would be different domains. We are going to discuss it in the next slides. So first of all, we must know that Amazon Q is actually AI powered assistant, and it helps us to generate, to provide uh, information about our AWS account, about our AWS resources. And not only that, it is actually divided into more subdomains. Okay. Now, what are those subdomains? We will discuss each one by one. So that is actually a real example. I have attached the screenshot. I just asked Amazon Q that how many EC2 instances I am running on my AWS account. So it took a little bit time, and it told me that, man, you are running 5 instances in these regions. So it not only calculates the number of total instances, it also tells us that in in which region my EC2 instances are running. So that's how I can use Amazon Q to find the information about services, to find the information about quotas, my monthly cost expenses, and the number of EC2 instances, storage buckets, and everything about my AWS account. So that's how I can use Amazon Q to get questions that I have relevant to my Amazon account. So this is actually the logo. Can you see it? This is actually the logo of Amazon Q, and there is actually a limit in free tier. What is that limit? Let's discuss in this slide. And Amazon Q is not limited to one area only. It can assist developers, business analysts, customer service representatives, CSRs, and many others. So if I am a DevOps engineer, it does not mean that Amazon Q is only limited for DevOps engineers or AWS engineers or cloud engineers. Businesses, business persons can also use Amazon Q. Business analysts, supply chain experts, developers can also use Amazon Q, and it uses Amazon Titan. I hope that you know about Amazon Titan, which is an LLM, large language model of AWS, Amazon Titan. And not only that, it also supports other language models like Cohere and Anthropic. We can enjoy up to 50 agentic chat interaction. Like that was an agentic chat interaction with Amazon Q, where I asked about the number of EC2 instances. So I can enjoy up to 50 chats like that. Okay. So also I can use Amazon Q developer to generate up to 1000 lines of code in the free tier. So that is actually the pre-tier quota offered by Amazon Q. I can have 50 agentic chats, and also I can get developed 1000 up to 1000 lines of code in the free tier. So what are other features that we must know about Amazon Q? And those features are offered by Amazon Query or Amazon Question. We can also, first of all, it is actually a Gen AI based. Okay, I told you in the first slide, it is Gen AI based. So definitely we are going to enjoy other services as well. We can enjoy generating code up to 1000 lines of code in free tier. We can get the answers to our questions. We can summarize the data. We can create content. We can solve the problems. We can create dashboard, and we can manage our AWS infrastructure. We can manage every resource on AWS with the help of Amazon Q. So, for instance, if I get overbuilt in any month, I can use Amazon Q to track down where I got the most cost according to my AWS infrastructure. So, these are actually the features. That is why it is a powerful Gen AI based assistant, and get we can enjoy all of these features for free using the free tier limits. Now, there are actually Amazon Q editions. Okay. Now, I told you that it is not limited to one area only. It is not limited for DevOps engineers. It is not limited for cloud engineers or site reliability engineers or AWS engineers. We can use other editions of Amazon Q. Business analysts can use Amazon Q. Supply chain engineers can use Amazon Q. And these are actually the editions: Amazon Q developer, business, Amazon Q in QuickSight in Connect, and Amazon Q in AWS Supply Chain. So don't worry, we are going to have a quick look on each edition. These are actually the 5 editions that are offered by Amazon Q. Now, here is actually a low quality diagram. My apologies for that. These are all the editions that are offered in Amazon Q. I have Amazon Q Business Developer, and I have Amazon Q in QuickSight, and Amazon Business, Amazon Q in AWS Supply Chain. So whatever service you are using in AWS, you can use that specific Amazon Q edition. For instance, if your niche is, or if your product is relevant to supply chain and you are going to use it in on AWS, then definitely you must use Amazon Q in supply chain. Now, Let's have a look on each Amazon Q edition. First is Amazon Q Developer. As the name says, it is for developers who want to get their code generated using Amazon Q. Amazon Q Developer is our own AI software developer. It is your intern, it is your junior developer, AI developer to write the software code for you on Amazon AWS. We can generate new code, we can scan the code for security vulnerabilities, and we can also make code upgrades and improvements. We can write the code with Amazon Q Developer. We can scan our code for any potential vulnerabilities, and we can also make the code upgrades, and we can also improve the code with the help of Amazon Q Developer. We can also chat with Amazon Q Developer about our current code and other code complexities. We can get the ideas, we can get the feedback or suggestions about our current code with Amazon Q Developer. Okay, so it is for developers. Like you can see in this example, this is my code. Okay, this is the code, and I am using Amazon Q to generate the tests for this specific code snippet. And also, guys, you can see here, hi, I'm Amazon Q. I can answer your software development questions. So Amazon Q Developer is specific for answering our development queries or development questions. Ask me to explain, debug, or optimize your code. Just like we use ChatGPT, just like we use Claude, so we can use Amazon Q Developer, and Amazon Q Developer uses generative AI. See here, you may need to verify responses. And now here, I am going to generate the test. I can ask Amazon Q Developer to explain this code, to refactor, to fix, to optimize the code. So these are actually the real uses of Amazon Q Developer. Now, Amazon Q Business for business guys. Amazon Q Business is the business oriented edition of Amazon Q. If you have business related questions, you have business related queries that you want to get answered, you can use Amazon Q Business. So these are actually the editions, different 5 editions. And it is designed to help employees work faster and smarter by using Gen AI to search, summarize, analyze, and automate tasks on the basis of an organization's enterprise data. So we can use Amazon Gen AI services with the help of Amazon Q businesses to search, to summarize, to analyze the data from business perspective, and also we can automate the business tasks using Amazon Q business. So it is actually, in short, a business oriented edition of Amazon Q. Amazon Q in QuickSight, which is a cloud scale business intelligence service, BI service, okay? And it is used to deliver easy to understand insights in a single dashboard. We can share the insights and reports with our team. So Amazon Q Developer, Amazon Q Business, and now Amazon Q in QuickSight for BI, specific BI developers must be using Amazon Q in QuickSight. We can also use Amazon QuickSight to connect with our data in the cloud and combines data from many different resources from different sources. So we can combine the data coming from different sources for our business, and then we can use that data to get intelligent reports on a single dashboard. So it is actually a BI service, business intelligence service, known as Amazon Q in QuickSight. For instance, now this is actually the screenshot of a SaaS product, and I'm going to check for the SaaS, software as a service SaaS. And this is the product name. And for that specific product, I got the whole information with the help of dashboard, and the total quantity of the items that were sold, And also you can see I have the information about the lowest daily sales and the highest daily sales. So that's how I can use Amazon Q in QuickSight for my products, to know, to learn about the products, to learn about the sales and other stuff. So this is actually the AI based, Gen AI based Amazon Q in QuickSight service. And after that, we have Amazon Q in Connect. This is actually relevant for call centers, for chat support representatives, customer service representatives, CSRs. Have you ever worked in a call center before? I worked a little bit in as a chat support guy, or worked as a frontline support engineer. Yes, I did. Amazon Q in Connect is an AI version of contact center, especially designed for contact center agents. For instance, you are using any service and you have the questions that you would like to get their answers, or you are facing any issues, so you contact the chat support, and the chat support guys come online and they try to fix your issues in the runtime. So that is actually the same thing as known as Amazon Q in Connect, and it actually works faster. It has the accurate uh, the results are accurate, it improves accuracy and deliver better customer experiences in real time. And with a heavy heart, I'm feeling sad to tell you that AI has actually whitewashed the CSR jobs. AI has whitewashed and the customer agents jobs, because now we have the AI based CSR agents that can answer our queries, and they are actually designed for contact center agents. So these are all AI agents, and they help to fix our issues. They help to deliver better customer experiences in real time. Now you can see there here, this is actually a client, Anna Smith, and it is connected with a chat support agent, Maria. And Anna has the question that I would like to know how I can use pay as you go for billing. Now, Maria is using Amazon Q, and it just asked Amazon Q to tell me more about pay as you go, and Amazon Q has told the whole information about Amazon pay as you go model. Now, simply uh, Maria will copy this chat and it will share with Anna that this is your answer to your question about Amazon Pay as you go. And now this is AI based customer agent, and it is here to answer our queries, to answer our questions. So this is known as Amazon Q in Connect. And the last one is Amazon Q in AWS Supply Chain, and it is specific for supply chain queries and questions. And it is the supply chain focused version of Amazon Q. It helps logistics, procurement, and operations teams to quickly get insights, troubleshoot issues, and make better decisions. It also analyzes the supply chain data, finds the potential issues, and recommends actions accordingly. So these are actually the 5 editions of Amazon Q, but most of the times we are going to use Amazon Q, which is the general one. But if you are a BI developer, if you are a software developer, you can use the Amazon Q editions as per your needs, and there are free tier limits. Definitely, you can enjoy the AWS free tier limits on your AWS account. So that's it, guide for today's Amazon Q's lecture. I hope that you have a better understanding of Amazon Q. I will see you in the next chapter of Amazon Poly in our AWS AI practitioner course. Make sure that you subscribe DevOps Molvi. Have a good one.